Outside Nigeria, rescue operations are still ongoing in the search for a missing tourist submersible that went missing during a dive to the wreck of the Titanic. The U.S. Coast Guard says a noise heard in the Titanic subsearch gives them a target, a focus, and they are hoping to get the exact location of the submersible. Contact for the miniature sub, which has 5 people on board, was lost on Sunday as it made a 3,800 meters descent to the Titanic wreck. The victims now have less hours of air supplies, and so far searches have yielded negative results.
Around the clock to ensure that we are doing everything possible to locate the Titan and the 5 crew members. This is a complex search effort which requires multiple agencies with subject matter expertise and specialized equipment. We do not have all of the necessary expertise and equipment required in a search of this nature. The Unified Command brings that expertise and additional capability together to maximize effort in solving this very complex problem.
I mean, when you're out in the North Atlantic, it is, we only have a 3-month weather window, which pretty much goes from, the end of June to September, where the seas are calm enough to actually be out there and able to dive, which right now it's really early in the season. So I'm not sure, why Ocean Gate went out this soon. But, deploying subs in the water and spending all day, on the wreck and coming back, you're 6,000 pounds per square inch of pressure.